Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I am Zoe. I was just thinking about our topic today, mental health, episode 42.
Yes, mental health, a very important topic and a very gentle one.
Yes, today we will talk slowly, we will share simple ideas and a little of our own stories, so you can learn words and also feel understood.
Before we start, a small reminder. If you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. And please share this episode with your friends. It really means a lot.
Thank you, Zach. Okay, let us begin. First, what is mental health? In simple words, mental health is how we think and feel and how we handle life.
Yes, mental health is about our mind and emotions. It is about stress, sadness, joy, and calm. It is about how we cope when life is hard.
Many people think mental health is only for people with big problems, but it is for everyone. We all have mental health, from children to older people, from students to workers, everyone.
Exactly, and small steps can help. Small steps every day. Drink water, sleep on time, talk to a friend. These small things matter.
I want to share a short story. A few years ago, I felt very tired and sad for many days. I found it hard to get out of bed. I did not want to talk to anyone. I thought, this will pass, but it did not pass.
I remember that moment. Zoe told me she was struggling. She said it felt heavy, like wearing a big coat in summer.
Yes, and I felt scared to tell my family, but I told one friend. That friend listened and said, let us walk together. We walked slowly in the park. We talked about small things. The walk helped, not all at once, but a little.
And Zoe also visited a doctor. The doctor suggested simple counseling and good sleep habits. That helped too. Over weeks, Zoe felt better. Not perfect, but better.
The point is, asking for help is strong. It is brave. Many people fear judgment, but most friends and family want to help. Sometimes professional help is needed, and that is okay.
Now let us talk about common feelings. Many people feel stress, anxiety, or sadness. These are normal. Sometimes these feelings are short. This is okay. Other times they last a long time. Then we need more support.
Here are simple coping words and actions. Breathe, rest, talk, move, and connect. Breathe means take slow, deep breaths. Rest means sleep and take breaks. Talk means speak to someone you trust. Move means walk or exercise. Connect means spend time with friends or pets.
Yes, and let us practice a short breathing exercise together. Ready? Breathe in for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this 3 times. It can calm the body. It is simple and free.
Great! Many learners can try this at home. It is also good to learn words about feelings. For example, I feel worried. I feel tired. I feel lonely. I feel calm. I feel hopeful. Practice saying these sentences. They help you speak about your feelings.
Now I will share a small story. When I was in college, I had strong anxiety before exams. My heart beat fast. I could not sleep. I thought, I will fail. One teacher taught me to study in small pieces. Study for 25 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes. This method helped me, and talking to my friend helped too.
That is a good tip. Small steps. Also, routine helps. A daily routine gives the mind structure. For example, wake up at the same time, eat breakfast, study or work for a set time, take a walk, sleep on time. Small routines make life easier.
Another important point is comparison. Many people compare themselves to others, especially on social media. This makes them feel worse. Remember, people show their highlights online, not their whole life. You are enough as you are.
Yes, and let us learn phrases to say when a friend is struggling. You can say, I am here for you. You are not alone. Do you want to talk? I can listen. We can find help together. These simple phrases mean a lot.
Sometimes people don't know how to start a conversation. Here is a small script. Hi, I've noticed you seem quiet lately. Are you okay? I care about you. This is gentle and kind.
Now, we will talk about professional help. If feelings last more than 2 weeks, or if daily life is very hard, consider seeking a counselor or doctor. This is not a shame. It is like going to a doctor when you have a fever.
And if someone has thoughts of hurting themselves, ask for urgent help. Call local emergency numbers or a trusted person. Stay with that person and listen. Do not leave them alone. This is serious and needs fast help.
In many places, there are hotlines and helplines. They are private and free. You can talk to trained people. If you are not sure where to find help, ask a local health center or search online for your country's mental health resources.
Now, let us use simple language to describe self-care. Self-care is small acts of kindness to yourself. It can be simple. Take a warm bath, read a short story, drink your favorite tea, play with a pet. Write one line in a journal. Small acts help.
I like journaling. Writing one sentence a day helps me notice my feelings. It's small and easy. You can write, today I felt happy when, or today I felt sad because. This practice helps your mind.
Another helpful thing is gratitude. Each day, name one thing you are thankful for. It can be small, a warm cup of coffee, a friend's message, a sunny minute. Gratitude doesn't fix everything, but it helps balance the mind.
Let us also talk about sleep. Good sleep is vital for mental health. Try to sleep around the same time each night. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Read a book or listen to soft music instead. Sleepy routines help the brain rest.
And move your body. Walking for 20 minutes can lift your mood. Exercise increases good chemicals in the brain. It doesn't have to be hard. Simple movement helps.
Now, a quick role play. Zac, you're my friend who is sad. I will say, I am here for you. Zac, respond.
Soft voice. Thank you, Zoe. I feel tired and a little scared. I don't know what to do.
Gentle voice. It's okay to feel scared. Do you want to tell me more? We can talk now or later. I can walk with you.
Relieved. Thank you. Just saying it out loud helps.
This roleplay shows how simple words can help. You don't need perfect sentences. Being kind and listening is most important.
Now a short practice for learners. Repeat after us slowly. I am not alone. I can ask for help. Today I will try one small step. Practice these phrases out loud. They feel strong when you say them.
Before we end, I want to say something personal. Some days are heavy. Some days are light. It's okay. Give yourself time. Be patient. Be gentle. You don't need to fix everything today. Small progress is okay.
Yes, and remember the 3 simple steps we talked about. Breathe, talk, move. Breathe to calm the body. Talk to someone you trust. Move your body a little. These 3 steps can help on hard days.
We also ask you again, if you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and feel supported. Share this episode with your friends who might need it.
Thank you for listening. You are not alone. We care about you. If you want, leave a comment with one small step you will try this week. We read your comments and we care.
And for learners, try to learn 5 new words from this episode: mental health, anxiety, routine, support, and gratitude. Practice them in a sentence. Write them down.
Now our final thought. Life has ups and downs. We can't control everything, but we can take small steps. We can reach out. We can be kind to ourselves. That's real strength.
Thank you for being with us today. Stay safe, be kind to yourself. Remember, help is a sign of strength, and it's okay to ask.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode. Stay well.
Goodbye. Take care.